Hi everyone, welcome to my sump pump video. Oh, I see there's a train over there. Hopefully it's not making too much racket. But anyways, hope everyone's having a rainy day. I hope you're not having a rainy day. I like the rain. It's not too serious, but talking a little bit about sump pumps. But let's go for a little walk. Let's see what's going on out here. Have to get my umbrella out. There we go. Oh yeah, there's the noisy train. That's the minus thing about living here, but that's not what the story's about. It's about water and sump pumps and a rainy day. So anyways, we're coming along here. Some indications in your yard that, you know, maybe you might need a sump pump. Could be that there's a lot of standing water. Going over here, this is the garden area. Yeah, it's pretty much all full of water. Then we get further into the backyard here. And we're coming upon the lake. Now my sump pump, it pushes all the water out into the front ditch right now. I used to have it coming out here, but I'm glad I moved it. So let's just take a moment and enjoy. Well, that's a lot of enjoyment. Now I'm gonna go back here. I wasn't going to, but as I was just coming out here, there's actually a couple of, now they're hiding. Let's see if I can be steady on the camera here. And I'm gonna zoom in. But let me find them now. Oh, that's not him. Ah, what do we have back in the field? They're hiding out there. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna leave him alone. Oh, he's hiding now. But yeah, there you have it. This is the current conditions in southern Ontario. Quite wet. But, you know, as long as my sump pump keeps going, everything will be fine. And I've experienced a flooded basement before. You don't want to go through that, and that's why we're gonna take a little look at the sump pump and tell you why it's so important to keep a handle on things. Alright, it's getting nasty out. I see my camera's getting all wet, so guess I'll cut this off here and head inside. Gonna have to dry the camera. The lens is full of water, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed it so far. I have some other, I'm not sure in the order I'm gonna do the video, but I have some scenic, you know, rainy type shots coming up, so stay with me here. All right, move on to the next segment. Okay, my pump just turned on. I know it's kind of loud, but I call this the dirty, nasty pit. But anyways, I'm just going to show you here. The pump is working now. The water's, you know, it's pretty full in there. And it turns on probably every minute. That's how much water is coming in, and it'll become self-explanatory once it starts pumping some water out. And you'll see what's coming in here. So it's working pretty hard. And you'll know why it's working so hard. You're thinking, well, it doesn't look like it's really pulling that water out of there too fast, and there's a reason for that. This is why had I known it was this bad when I moved here, I don't know, or when I purchased the house, I don't know if I would have bought it. But this is pretty common, probably 6 months out of the year. Not quite this bad. Usually there's about a 5-minute break between the pump runs, but right now, man, it's like a minute 30 seconds sometimes because the flow is so high. And this thing pushes out, I don't know, it's probably about what it's rated for, I don't know, probably 1,000 gallons an hour or something like that. I don't know what they are. I'm gonna have to check. Okay, it's just at the top of the pipe that comes in. There's a basically there's a pipe or a weeping tile that goes all the way around a house, most houses, and with a sump pit it feeds right into here. So all the water that's accumulating around the house or flowing towards the house comes in on that pipe. There's another one on the other side there. You can't see it. So it comes in from both directions. So what you're going to see here, it's only 50% of what's coming in because there's another pipe over here that you can't see. So just wait for it. Alright, we're getting near the bottom, so you're going to actually see what's flowing in one of 2 pipes. So there's another one on the other side that's doing the same thing. And I mean, that water is just pouring in there. And this is why, one time when our pump failed, that's why our basement got flooded. And there you go, the pit's already filling up. It's just gonna come above it right away here. That's how fast the water comes into my house, by the way. Make sure your sump pump's working, and this summer I'm gonna put in a dual setup in case one fails, because it's ridiculous. I also have a battery backup on mine. It's for another pump. You can't see it, it's down below. But that's important to have in this situation. But I'm going to put dual electric pumps in there. I also have a generator in case the power goes out. Because I learned my lesson, you don't want your basement to flood, trust me. So anyways, wasn't that water flow is ridiculous, and wow. Anyways, that's pretty common here. As I say, when I ended that little scene there, the pump turned on at about 30 seconds after I turned the camera off. So it's a little bit more than normal, but not uncommon. So make sure you guys check out your sump pumps. Very important, because you don't want it to fail. You should probably replace them every, I don't know, I'm thinking like, if it's a cheap pump, maybe 6 years. If it's a good one, it'll probably last, you know, 10, 15 years. But anyways, have a good one. Like and subscribe for more.